Light is everything. It gives cadence to our days. It creates these magical moments like sitting around a candlelit dinner or the campfire with friends. It reveals and conceals form and architecture. Light is more than what you see. It's a feeling.
Our goal at Lutron has been to create incredible environments for people to live in. And of course, it needs to be beautiful light. And I think the missing piece as the lighting technology was evolving was light that not only behaved as well as incandescent light, which was where Lutron was founded, but could go beyond that.
Ketra being the first tried to build the best light source with the strength of Lutron in the marketplace. I really cannot think of a better position company to deliver the best light source. Today's light, it just doesn't feel natural to me. A lot of people use one single color throughout the day, and that is not natural. And natural light is the sunlight. Natural light is the moonlight. Natural light is the firelight. That's natural, and that's dynamic, that changes.
Innovation, it's really at the heart of Lutron. And the lighting space is a space where we definitely see the next generation of innovations available to us.
We have to build a custom emitter because we need the optical performance. We have to invent a whole host of optics to be able to do both the color mixing, so we're homogenizing the white light, and also to deliver the beam control the application need. And we also need to design the custom integrated circuits to maintain the light and also to precisely control the light. Those are the three things that we have to design, we have to engineer.
Ketra lighting is the only solution on the market that is able to replicate natural light. The light automatically and dynamically shifts in color, temperature, and intensity throughout the day to follow those natural shifts that we experience outside.
To recreate correctly natural light, you need RGB LEDs that are spaced very far apart so that you can recreate all the portions of that curve to give the dynamic feeling of natural light inside, or give that firelight sensation, or the sun during the day, or the incandescent kind of warm dim at night. You can't manage RGB LEDs to do any of those features without an intelligent light source. You can't manage any of that without driving RGB LEDs correctly with the controller like we built.
One of the challenges with getting really tight beam angles when you're mixing white out of red, green, and blue is that you oftentimes get color breakup. Lutron and Ketra has a variety of beam angles from 10 degrees to 15 to 25, 40, 60, 90. We've engineered the lights to always be clean and crisp and precise.
To generate a spot correctly from RGB, we needed to build our own custom emitter. It's a whole optical package, all the way from packaging LEDs into a custom emitter to the primary optics to the secondary optics. There's a lot of innovation that has gone into being able to control beam without causing color breakup.
But doing that alone, just the optic alone, it doesn't get all the performance out of it. The performance that we need is so precise. We need every bit out of every part of the system.
When people experience vibrancy for the first time, it's an absolute wow moment. It's a showstopper. It's almost an Instagram filter for real life. And it lets the designer and the homeowner really have the tools to precisely curate that light as they see fit for that environment or that object that they're illuminating.
Inside each Ketra light source is a custom chip. It's solving color science equations at a 60 times per second update rate so that RGB is handled correctly. We're the only ones correcting for aging with actual optical feedback running live. So over life, the color's correct so the light stays beautiful.
We won't let anything ship until we know that every component has been tested, apart as well as together. And the result is a system that you can feel confident in installing in your home. You know that it is high quality and it's going to work.
Lutron's been in the business of creating ambiance, feeling, and environment right from the beginning. But today, with the Lutron lighting solutions built around the Ketra technology, our ability to digitally control the window treatments and then in the same system, manage the indoor lighting to complement or accentuate what we're doing there is totally unique. And I think it provides an opportunity to create just such beautiful spaces, and really nobody else can do that.